Happy Sunday, guys. Let's wrap this week up with another part. We have practice part 10. This one looks a little tricky, so let's see if we can make it happen. I'm going to start off with the first circle here at diameter of 25. Then we have a diameter of 50. And then a diameter of 62. Okay, and we know that from the quadrant here, we come over 36, up 25, over 27, $13.98, 13. All right, let's just wait right there. Let's put a line down the center here just to kind of signify what's going on. Let's do 25. And that will go right here. We don't know what this length is yet, I don't believe, so we'll have to figure that out. So it's safe to say that this line will come to here. Does that look right? It's got to be. It doesn't, for some reason this doesn't look correct, but 13.98, 25. Oh, they do give the distance there. Okay, so that's 50. 50 from the top here. Okay. So I guess it is right. It doesn't quite look right. All right, hold on, guys. All right, that's that. And this line does go all the way. All right, I see why I'm getting screwed up. This does not come all the way over. Let's just shut that off for a moment. I'm just going to mirror this. Okay, so now we should be able to come over 9, down 75, over 62, and it looks like it just comes off of here and then matches up. So we should be able to trim this guy out. Okay. So let's get this next box in there. We have 42. All right, let's get this one in the bottom here. So we have 42, up 19, and over. You know, I get a little confused looking at these sometimes, and sometimes the information's missing. It honestly looks like it's all there, and I just glanced over it. So the next one is going to be 42 by 50. So let's just draw it off to the side here. 42, 50, 42. We'll center that on here. And then we need a line that I'm going to put F12 on just to, and shut F8 off. Tab to a 45. Well, that's not what I wanted. Can anybody tell me why when I put my, when I type in 45 that it comes in the opposite direction? Is there something else I need to do for that? So when I type 45 and it goes to the, like this instance, it went to the right. What am I doing wrong for that? So let's mirror this. All right, let's fill it. We have a radius of 3. Hold on, type in multiple. I just started doing that on the last part and it saves time. All right, so let's get that. What are we missing here? It looks like this line just continues on right here. I'm gonna shut F12 off. I'm not a big fan of having that on. So that's that. The same down here, the line just continues on. And then I think we just got to hatch it, and I think we're good. Of course. Let's try 50. More like 25. That looks better. Hatch this side. And then we'll just type in match. Match P. Match properties. And I think we got a finished part, guys. And now let's, of course, we got to try extruding it. So let's just type in join. I always do this. Let's see if we get the, oh, perfect. We'll extrude this. Let's set it to hidden so we can see a little better. We'll come down to, oops. -4 actually. And then we can extrude some of this other stuff. Let's extrude this -2. Again, none of this is necessary. I just like doing it for fun. I have no idea what this part is supposed to be. hide this real quick. I don't. This line can go away too. I should have had that off. We'll end the object isolation. Holy smokes. For whatever reason, when I tab to it, it doesn't want to just select it. It's rejecting this line for some reason. I'll have to. Delete that and redraw it in. All right, that should have done it. Let's add some colors. I'm going to turn off the hatch just for my part purposes. Select similar, isolate, hide, and then we got to just get rid of the last bit of lines here. All right.